Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will review the American Express Green Card. This card offers a solid reward structure for those who frequently spend on travel, transit, and dining. You'll earn 3 times membership rewards points in these categories and 1 point per dollar on everything else. Plus, there's a generous welcome offer for new card members to kickstart your points balance. The American Express Green Card truly shines with its travel-focused benefits. You can receive up to a $209 statement credit each year for a Clear Plus membership, helping you speed through airport security. Additionally, there are no foreign transaction fees, making it ideal for international travel. The card also includes valuable travel insurance protections. This card has a $150 annual fee. However, the included statement credits, especially the Clear Plus credit, can significantly offset this cost if utilized. It's important to consider your spending habits to ensure these benefits provide enough value for you. Typically, applicants need a good to excellent credit score for approval. Membership rewards points offer flexible redemption options, from booking travel to covering statement credits. For the best value, consider transferring your points to one of American Express's airline or hotel partners. This strategy often maximizes the worth of your rewards. Also, check the description for a link to leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. This card can be a strong choice for frequent travelers and diners.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.